Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Today we will see how to clean MacBook storage whenever it is full. So if you see, if you go to my MacBook, it is full now. So click on more info. Now if you see, you can see it almost it is full. Now we need to go and we need to clean the storage. Okay, to clean the storage, now you have to open the Finder. And once Finder is open, so you need to press Ctrl Shift G. There you get you need to press the tilt icon, then slash. You have to press slash, then you have to press library. You can see here library is there. Click on this library. Here you can see all the items which are present. Now you can make it like this. You can make it list view. Here you can see which a component is taking how much memory. So first we will go to cache. So cache is the unnecessary item which is taking 3.19 GB. So you can go to inside the cache. You can see these are the most of the item which are cached up, so which is generally not necessary. So we'll go and we'll move to bin. So now cache is cleaned. Now which one is taking more memory? As I'm developing Android app and iOS app, you can see. And if you go to Android, is taking 51 GB. You can go and here you can see the SDK. SDK is taking 51 GB, and here you can see all these things. All SDK person is taking this memory. You can delete some of the items if it's not needed. Okay. Similarly, you can check except that what other things are taking memory. Java is fine, and if mail is taking mail, is you can go and remove this. I think it's not needed. In inbox Gmail, and you can delete this also. Okay. Now I'll go to a developer in iOS. So you'll see. So here you can see Xcode is taking 44, and one all the simulator core simulator is taking 32. So devices is mostly taking, so whichever is needed you can keep it. All the devices are not needed, you can delete most of the devices, so it will clean up a lot of space. I'm deleting some of the devices which will now I'll delete these things, move to bin. Now open your bin folder. Now whatever the items are there in bin, we need to empty it. We'll empty the bin folder, so it will take some time, and after that it will be empty. So after that we can check there's a lot of memory has been freed up. Now we have cleaned the cache. Now I've deleted the bin folder. Now see how much memory you have cleaned. Now click on general, and now about. Now you can see nearly more than 50 GB of memory you have cleaned. Thanks for watching.